Frugal fam, it's Mia here. Are you ready for the reunion of all reunions tonight? The Vanderpump Rules Season 10 Part 3 Reunion. And do you need something special to nom on as you take in all the Scandoval of it all, darling? Well, I got you covered with these 3 very cute recipes. We have gluten-free goat cheese balls, a gluten-free green goddess sandwich that's inspired by Ariana and Katie Maloney's new shop, Something About Her. And my favorite, a Worm-With-A-Moustache Dirtini, made with gluten-free Oreos and avocado mousse. It all sounds so good. I can't wait to share it with you all. It's absolutely delicious. Check the description below for more recipe details and instructions, and let's get into it.
Selfish does not cover it. Diabolical, demented, subhuman.
Poo-poo head? Both of you, poo-poo heads. You're a worm with a mustache. 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 You're a worm.
I hope you liked my 3 recipes and that you get to try them out. Let me know if you do in the comments. Which one was your favorite? Are you more excited about the food, or are you more excited about the drama? Either way, I hope you have something delicious to munch on as you take in the delicious drama of it all, darling, in the Part 3 reunion tonight on Bravo. Hashtag Team Ariana. If you like what you see, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to A Little for a Lot. Until next time.
Taking a chance.